The Teleflex PCI Champions program is unique because we're able to marry the ability to do hands-on training with a lot of the newer tools in interventional cardiology with case-based case review and then live cases where we actually go through planning, execution, and have physicians in the room working side by side with us. We're doing the cases, but we have a nice conversation throughout all of the casework in terms of best practices, next steps, ways to tackle difficult scenarios in interventional cardiology and complex PCI. So it really is unique because it marries hands-on, case-based learning and live case teaching, which is really fun and nice to collaborate with partners who come from over the region to be able to spend 2 days with us here.
I think the biggest difference with the Teleflex PCI Champions program is how the operators were selected. This was a program that was designed to let us know what your skill set is so that we can further enhance it, which is different than most courses that are readily available.
So I was really enthusiastic about coming to the PCI Champions program, partly to sort of rejuvenate some of my enjoyment of doing complex PCI and learn some new techniques with some devices that I'm not always super comfortable using with experts in the field.
Teleflex PCI Champions program allows operators to gain a stronger skill set with the use of guide extensions, microcatheters, different wires, and even the treatment of different anatomy and which devices may be best for those.
You need to continue to practice and continue to engage with people that have different experiences and bring different tools and knowledge, and that allows us to grow as a community. And I think we bring that and focus it down on that individual patient.
What I liked about the course that we had today is the fact that this was a very small group. We had a lot of time to ask questions and go over different things.
It's truly hands-on, and you get that immediate feel, an immediate visual representation of what's happening. And the only thing that replaces that is obviously in the cath lab itself with real patients, but this is as close as it will get to that environment. And I think that just gives you the confidence at utilizing and reinforcing the materials that we're utilizing.
Attending this meeting will absolutely change my practice without any question or doubt. It's quite interesting what techniques, what equipment is available that I wasn't previously aware of. Absolutely will change my practice.
I think it really is a fun to learn from each other, and ultimate goal to learn from this fun is to deliver the best patient care.
I learned today how to use some more advanced techniques that I hadn't used before and some devices that I had no previous experience with. So I think this will allow me to tackle more complex procedures, more difficult procedures with more confidence, more skill, and help deliver better care.
I've been doing this job for quite a few decades, but you never stop learning. There's always someone smart enough to bring out a new technique. There's always something new to bring to the field. So it's just win-win-win.